Hey everyone! Have you ever looked at your desk, your to-do list, or even your calendar and felt stressed? Like everything you need to do is a big mess, making you feel pulled in every direction? Just like a tidy house makes you feel calm and happy, a well-organized schedule can make your day feel calmer and more in control. You see, a timetable isn't just about writing down tasks, it's about making time for things you really enjoy. It's about choosing what's most important to you and giving those things time and space to grow. This way, instead of feeling stressed by everything you need to do, you can start each day with a plan and a purpose. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a timetable that makes you happy and helps you achieve your goals without feeling overwhelmed. Ready to tidy up your time and get things done? Let's go. Before we start making our timetable, let's think about why a good timetable can make us feel so good. Imagine waking up each morning excited for the day, not worried about all the things you need to do. You know exactly what to expect because you've planned it all out. A timetable helps you see your day and where your time goes. It takes away the guessing game and helps you choose how you spend your time. When you have a clear plan for your day, you stress less, get more done, and have time for things you enjoy. It helps you do things consistently, which is important for building good habits. Imagine how good it feels to check off each task on your list, knowing you're getting closer to your goals. By knowing how much time you have, you can choose how to spend it, instead of letting other people's demands control your schedule. Now, let's start creating your own happy timetable. The first step is to find out what's most important to you. What things really matter to you? Don't just think about things you have to do, but also things that make you happy, give you energy, and make you feel good about yourself. Grab a piece of paper or open a new document on your computer and start writing down ideas. Write down everything you can think of, big or small. Once you have a good list, think about each item. Ask yourself, does this make me happy? Does it make me feel good and give me a sense of purpose? By finding your priorities, you're taking the first step towards creating a schedule that reflects who you are and brings you closer to the life you want. Now that we know what makes us happy and deserves a place in our schedule, let's move on to step 2, figuring out how much time we have. This step is all about understanding our week and how much time we can realistically spend on each priority. Start by looking at your existing commitments. This might include work or school hours, appointments, family time, or anything else that takes up a fixed amount of time in your week. Once you've accounted for those fixed commitments, you can start to see the free time you have for your priorities. But it's not just about how much time you have, it's also about when you have it. Think about when you feel most awake and focused. When do you have the most energy for creative tasks or focused work? The key is to work with your natural energy levels, not against them. By being mindful of both the quantity and quality of your time, you can create a timetable that works with your energy levels and sets you up for success. With our priorities identified and our time availability mapped out, we're ready for step 3, blocking time for each activity. This is where the magic of a timetable really happens, as we start to create a dedicated space for the things that matter most. Start with your fixed commitments, work or school hours, appointments, and anything else that can't be changed. Next, move on to your top priorities, the things that bring you the most joy, fulfillment, and contribute to your overall well-being. As you allocate time for each activity, think about how long you need. How much time do you realistically need for each task or activity to make good progress or fully enjoy the experience? Don't be afraid to try different time blocks until you find what feels right for you. The key is to be intentional about how you allocate your time and to create a rhythm that supports your overall well-being. Step 4, embracing flexibility. Finding freedom within structure. While a timetable provides a valuable framework, it's important to be flexible and allow for adjustments. Life is full of surprises, and sometimes our plans need tweaking. Imagine this. You've planned your day, but then a friend calls with a last-minute concert invite. Remember, a timetable is not set in stone. It's a tool to help us make conscious choices, even when unexpected opportunities arise. Allow yourself the freedom to adjust your timetable, knowing you can return to your routine the next day. The key is to find a balance that works for you, honoring commitments while embracing spontaneity. Think of your timetable as a friendly guide, not a strict boss. It's there to support you, not to confine you. By embracing flexibility, you can navigate life's twists and turns with ease. Step 5. Tools for joyful organization. Sparking joy with every click and scribble. Now that we've talked about flexibility, let's move on to step 5. Using tools to stay organized. Just like the right tools can make organizing our homes enjoyable, the right tools can also make managing our time fun and easy. Whether you prefer writing things down or using digital calendars, there's a tool out there waiting to become your joyful companion on this journey. For those who love handwriting, a beautiful planner or a colorful whiteboard can be a source of immense joy. If you prefer digital tools, apps like Google Calendar, Notion, or Trello offer many options for organizing your time efficiently and stylishly. The key is to find a tool that makes you happy, one that you'll actually use and enjoy interacting with. Step 6. The joy of review and adjustment. Nurturing your timetable like a garden. Review your timetable weekly. Reflect on what went well and what needs adjustment. Did you feel rushed or overwhelmed? Make time for joy. Adjust to support your goals and well-being. Celebrate progress, learn from mistakes, and keep tweaking. As we wrap up, I hope you feel excited and empowered to manage your time. Remember, a timetable is not about restrictions or being strict. It's about creating a framework for your days that supports your goals, helps you feel good, and allows you to live a more intentional and fulfilling life. By following these steps and embracing the principles of joy and intention, you can transform your relationship with time, moving from feeling overwhelmed to feeling peaceful, productive, and purposeful. So go ahead and create a timetable that sparks joy in every aspect of your life. Embrace the power of organization and watch as your days unfold with a newfound sense of clarity, purpose, and joy. Did you find this video helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on staying organized, and let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you're adding to your timetable?